should be like between somewhere around these two stories to the one story over there. Well, hey, just wait. Watch it lift off first. It's going to be like about 40 seconds after it takes off, we'll be able to see it.
How much fun? What if we don't see it?
We're going to see it here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Oh my God.
3,
Oh my God.
2, 1. Lift
Zero.
off, go boys, go, go girls.
Oh my God.
All right, look over this way here. You might be able to see her in about 20-30 seconds. Go boys, go.
Please don't kill me. Tell me if I can see it.
What do you mean? Just look.
Can you see it? No. It's gonna take a little bit. Yes, go. As I can you see it?
There it is! Look! Above the cloud! Above the cloud! Above the cloud! Above the two-story house! Look above the two-story house!
Oh my God!
There she is!
Oh yeah, I see it! Oh my God, I see it! Oh my God! I see it! Yeah, I see the trajectory. Oh my God. Yeah.
There she goes.
Yeah. Hi.
Woo! Wow, look!
Oh my God.
Separation!
Oh my God. Did you see that? I saw the fire. Me too. Wow.
Go!
No, I lost it.
Yep, they're behind the cloud.
I see it on the TV.
And I lost it behind the cloud.
Of us screaming, oh my God, oh my God.
I lost it. I don't see it anymore. Like once it went behind the cloud. Well, remember, it's going that way. It's going towards Europe, like towards the east, towards Africa.